A fighter jet lands successfully on China's first aircraft carrier. A recent training session saw several landing drills carried out with the new Chinese-produced fighter jet called the J-15. It's the first time planes have landed on the aircraft carrier, which launched earlier this year. The Liaoning was refitted from a ship bought from Ukraine and has undergone over 100 tests and training sessions. China's defence ministry says it will improve the Navy's operational strength and help protect national sovereignty. But analysts say it may only have a limited role ahead of the potential launch of China's first domestically built carriers after 2015. The launch comes at a time of maritime tension in parts of Asia, with China and its neighbours rowing over several territorial claims.